The power of students and the university is tremendous, whether you're down in the city of Albany or in Puerto Rico. If you need help, we'll be there to help you.
We are down in Puerto Rico to help out with relief and recovery efforts.
People here and everyone affected by Hurricane Maria this past hurricane season, they need the hope. I was actually really sad when we first landed. The trees, you can tell, they're destroyed. Coming here opened up my eyes a lot. I thought Puerto Rico was in a much better state than what it is now.
It was evident that this whole strip got hit really bad. You could tell the houses, the paints are falling off. And you could tell how high the water went because of where the paint is chipped on the street signs.
Puerto Ricans are U.S. citizens, and therefore we have to come out here and help out our brothers however we can. Whew. Let's go work.
This was a great show of the power of SUNY and the University at Albany and ESF and Maritime just coming together. A lot of it was like community oriented. We were helping a community center at one of the projects, and another one we were helping build a bridge that was going to connect communities. So I think that says a lot about Puerto Rico, about how important community is.
By sending students out here, so you know what I'm saying, really get a physical account. We've seen what the damages are, we've learned what we can possibly take away from this situation to the next.
It speaks a lot for the university and the president coming down here and seeing the work we've done and where he sent his students, knowing that this is where he's from as well.
I thought it was a great way to give back.
We helped, with the moving of trees, debris out the street, and it's not the whole street, but it's enough to make the difference.
Doing the work was definitely fulfilling, but there is definitely a lot more that needs to be done.
If you can help in any way, do it. It's amazing to know that we can all just come together for a few days and help people that need it. Eventually it's going to get better. That has hope for everyone here.